Welcome you all in second part of Web API Day 2 tutorial. So in which I'm going to tell you about how how what are the prerequisite and how to install the tools for working on a Web API. Okay. Yes. So prerequisite for the Web API. So basically Web API is running on a .NET framework. So basically we will need to have a .NET framework installed in our systems and laptops. So for that definitely we will have some .NET framework kit which can be installed in our systems and can provide us the software development platform in which we can develop our application. Okay, so prerequisite is simply like if you wanted to learn the Web API, so definitely you would have some understanding of the web applications, basic understanding of the software development, what are the softwares, what are the web application and how they work. So like in our previous video, we already have discussed about different parts of the web application. So like there are three different parts: front end, back end, and databases. Okay, so when we talk about the Web API, so Web API is basically kind of service which interacts between front end to back end to databases. Okay, so next we will learn about how to install the create the Web API platform to work on. Okay, so for working for the Web API application development, we will need to have three prerequisite applications. Okay, one is Visual Studio 2019, which is developed by Microsoft. Postman, Chrome. We are all, I think we all well versed with the Chrome. Postman is nothing but an external source for like consuming the Web API services, in which we can hit the Web API services and um, based on their request we can get the responses. Okay, so that we can see inside the Postman, understand the different formatted and so many things we have to control the Web APIs. So later on when we will be working on the Postman, we will definitely see how to configure the Postman and how to run the APIs inside the Postman. Okay, the second thing, Chrome. So we all know Chrome is a browser. So browser is basically required for, like, we can hit the Web API services directly from the browsers as well. Okay, because the browser also understand the HTTP based services. Mm. So the most essential part is here Visual Studio 2019. So which we can download from the Microsoft Visual Studio site itself. Okay, so like a Visual Studio. So Visual Studio can be like downloaded from here, visualstudio.com and the Postman. So all three are freeware. So if we talk about the Visual Studio is not a fully freeware application. We will need to have different types there, like community version, professional version, and enterprise edition. Okay, so guys, we will need to go for the community version, because community version is freeware and it's available for the like individual users for the development purposes, like here you can see. Okay, so it will have around 2 3, at least it will take 3 to 4 GB spaces in your local system. So make sure that much space is available in your PC before starting the installation for this application. Okay, so this is, and this professional version is available for the individuals, but it contains a more enhanced and extended feature of the Visual Studio. Okay, so which is actually licensed version, and if anyone is buying this particular professional, so he will have to pay some amount, and enterprise edition is for the uh, professionals and for the companies, okay, which are working on the Visual Studio and providing the like development for the multiple products. So enterprise edition is licensed to those companies, okay, which can be used to the multiple developers. Okay, so these three types of Visual Studio available in the Visual Studio Store. So basically we need to download this Community 2019 version. Okay, so Chrome we all watched. So this will look like a Visual Studio 2019. This is the Postman and this is the Google Chrome. So let's go for the Postman. So like it's also a free version, like we can go through the Postman home site and we can download it. Okay, so we will definitely have a download. We can create an account or we can just sign in or we can directly download the Postman. And we will also have a Postman here. I did not add it here, but we can add here like Chrome extension. Okay, Chrome extension is the same one, the Postman. Either you can use the Postman application or you can use this Postman interceptor. So this will also work as the same the way application like Postman is working. So you have two way, like you can install this Postman extension in Chrome, or you can go to the Postman site and you can download the Postman for that. Okay, so these three applications we need to install, and I'm hoping like after this video you guys would be able to successfully install this application. So once you guys are done and ready for the development, okay, so on the next video we will start the development. Okay, so like if you have any query while installing the applications, you can let us know. Okay, in this, and we will definitely help you to out to install this application. Okay, so this is the API structure we already discussed. So this is the same thing. So in the next video we will be starting up with the application development. Okay, so guys, please make sure to install the application successfully once. Okay, thank you all.